Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have something pretty cool that was sent over by Fioboc. Fioboc is a brand that specializes in sportswear and stuff like that, so it kind of fits up right in my alley. I'm really big into Lululemon and stuff like that, so getting something like this to try out, it's gonna be pretty cool. So when they reached out, they asked me what was my style and stuff like that, and I was telling them, with winter coming up, I'm kind of looking for more hoodies, zip-ups and stuff like that, and mainly black, and they pretty much fit the bill with that. They sent me this zip-up hoodie, which is really, really cool. On the tag here, it says it's Sorona polymer, which I'm not 100% knowledgeable on what that is, but this hoodie feels pretty nice. It kind of feels like some of the Nike stuff that I have. Checking out the hoodie here, it's pretty heavyweight, and it kind of feels like a lot of the Nike ones that I have. The branding is super minimal on it. There's pretty much no branding until you get to the bottom. When you get to the bottom here, it says the Fioboc logo and all that stuff right here, but that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple, basic black hoodie. This is what the tag looks like here. I got this in an XL, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, let you guys know what I think. With it on, it fits pretty much true to XL for everything else that I've got. Most of my Nike stuff in Lululemon is all extra large or large, so it's pretty much right up there with all that other stuff. I think the arms are pretty good length. Everything feels pretty good. I really do like the quality of it though. It's very nice for like a sportswear type hoodie that you're gonna wear to the gym and stuff like that, especially like with me, my gym's outside. And most of my hoodies are the pullover type, so it doesn't have a zip or anything like that. And if I get too warm or anything, then you gotta pull it all off. Shirt comes up with it and everything like that. With this, just zip it on, zip it off. So I'm pretty happy with this. I was looking to buy something similar, especially since it's starting to get colder here. But now with this, I could just wear this. And the best part about this hoodie is it's like a fraction of the price of Lululemon and Nike and stuff like that. You can get one of these for pretty much like half the price. I'll put all the links in the description for the brand and for this exact hoodie as well. But for me, I really do like it. I think it's really gonna come in handy when I have to go downstairs to the gym since it's outside and everything like that. If I get too warm, like I said, just unzip it, take it off, and pretty much just covered that base for me so I don't have to go out and buy one. But with the brand and everything like that, Fioboc, it's pretty good. I wasn't too sure. I never had anything from the brand before when they reached out and they wanted to send over some stuff. With this hoodie, I'm pretty solid on them. I think this is better than some of the stuff you can find at like a Nike store, or if you're looking at like Nordstrom just for something to wear to the gym. I think this could cover that pretty easily. And they have tons of other color options. I just chose black because that's pretty much what I go with, especially if I'm just gonna be wearing it to the gym. I don't want anything super flashy or anything like that. Just wanted something pretty simple to zip on and off. But if you guys are familiar with this channel and you guys have seen some of my other videos, you know that I'm kind of really big into streetwear and stuff like that. Activewear, I buy a lot of it, especially Lululemon, like for the gym, for laying around the house and stuff like that, going out. And this covers that. It's pretty much the same quality. And I'm not lying when I say that, because Lululemon, I just went and bought a hoodie not that long ago and it was like almost 200 bucks. I think it was like 170. This one here is about $70 and it's about the same quality. If you're looking for something not to break the bank and something to work out in, I would definitely recommend something like this. Hey, but that is gonna be it for this one. I just wanted to do a quick review on this Fioboc hoodie that they sent out. Thought it was really, really nice and I recommend it 100%. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch y'all next time.